How to fix repost option not showing on TikTok. Let's get started. Firstly, update your TikTok app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok. After app appears, you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next, clear cache for the TikTok app. For that, launch it, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right corner, head over to the options, settings and privacy. Now scroll down, click on the option free up space, click on the option of clear for cache, click on clear. Likewise, you can totally uninstall the TikTok app and reinstall it. For that, press and hold on the TikTok app, click on remove app, click on delete app, then launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app TikTok and then download it. As a last resort, what you want to do is contact TikTok support team. For that, launch your TikTok, navigate to settings and privacy, scroll all the way down, click on report a problem, then scroll down, click on the option of chat with us. With that, you'll be directed to the TikTok help desk. Now here you can describe about your issue and send it. With that, TikTok support team will get back to you. So this way you can easily fix repost option not showing on TikTok. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.